I don't get no financial compensation. I don't get, but what I get, what I cherish the most is the gratitude and the satisfaction. Participants here being successful and being able to make the right decisions, to continue their education, to improve their living standards, and that is the whole um, philosophy of this program. Yes, unfortunately, here in our country, our program is not being accredited nor being recognized. A program that assisted with the development of the back, but we are very successful that we have a couple players who have grown from in this program from early age. They become part of it, and they are successful outside in the foreign. They are successful. They have attained scholarships by using the skills that they learn here, the athletic skills, and as I mentioned, we are unfortunate that we are not a recognized club, even though this looking at the other aspects of development of the young individuals to become successful.